Myself Dr.S.DHIVYA, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Computer Application in Dr.S.DHIVYA College of Arts and Science, Autonomous. Actually, in this DT video, we are going to have a small game like gallery walk. Any idea about gallery walk? Actually, it is a fun game. Like I'll give a one topic. I'll write it here. If you know the meaning of that, you have to come and explain it. It is just like fun, and we are based on this subject-oriented, courses-oriented. We have a fun game gallery walk now, right? The topic we are going to cover in this DT video is cost accounting, right? Actually, the branches we can say it is accounting. There are 3 types of branches. Everyone has to know, like financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. In the beginning stage or the beginners, everyone should know about the financial accounting. It will support to know the income and expenses, that is the profit and losses of the concern. At the same time, it will know the balance sheet like asset and liability. It is the basic or it is the beginning stage of the financial accounting. And when we move on to the cost accounting, it will help the accountant like to value the cost sheet. Actually, that cost accounting is just like we can say the term we use in cost is it is a measurable terms for the using the value of money. If I purchasing or if I spending any amount, I'm getting something, right? So I'm sacrificing something to getting another thing. So for that, the term we are using is a cost. Actually, this cost accounting or the cost accounting we can say will know the meanings of that. It is a systematic value about the product which we are going to sell it. When we are selling the product, before that the person like say cost accountant should know the meaning of cost sheet before they are fixing the product value on the sales. For example, if I plan to sell something like chalk piece, I'm planning to manufacturing and I have to fix the price on it. Only with the cost sheet I can know the value how much I can fix it, because it includes direct labor, material and expenses. We all know everything in the cost sheet, right? So here we are going to have a fun topic about the cost sheet. If anybody knows, you come and write it here, right? First I write the meaning of cost. Cost is the total expenditure that is spent to producing a product or an asset or a services. For example, if a company producing one product, the market, the material, labor and expenses, all these expenses are incurred in cost. Yeah, super. Right. Yeah, next, so you know the meaning of cost, and I also gave the example, and Subha has given the same example in the next we'll have the gallery walk topic is that. Okay. Anybody have an idea about cost accounting? Yeah, we are moving just like it, running fast. Actually, it's nothing but Roshni has given a meaning about it is a systematic manner that we have to record all the data in a proper way, right? It is a cost accounting, right? Okay, good. It is a very yeah. Who knows the meaning? Costing? Yourself?
Costing is the process of determining the total cost of the product. It has in some examples, rent and machineries, cost of fabric.
That means what we are spending the amount for the product which we are using. Okay, very good. Keep talking, and we have if you know the meaning of cost, costing and cost accounting, it should be important that you should know the meaning for cost accountant, right? Yeah. Who knows the meaning of cost accountant?
Hi, I'm Sumaya. I'm going to explain about cost accountant. He is the person who analyzes and controls the expenses regarding production sector. He knows what to spend and when to spend, and he knows that we have to spend less and get more profit. So on behalf of him, he wants to take care of every expenses, each and every penny he spends on the things he buys. So he is the main person who is managing the production and other sectors. So this is his purpose in the
super. Cost accountant, very good, super. Yeah. super. Yeah.
I'm Shiva, and let me say about financial accounting. The financial accounting has a broader scope and the cost accounting has a narrow scope.
Yeah, very good.